Hello learners, and welcome to U.S. History Reconstruction to Present, week 17 and 18. This is going to be your assignments for this week, and then if you want to work over winter break, and then the days that you return from winter break, okay? So if you want to get this all done before winter break starts, that would be absolutely wonderful so that you're completely caught up, don't have anything to worry about, and then when you come back, you can, focus on your new assignments. It's completely up to you. Everything will be open over winter break. So you are more than welcome to work. If you are behind, that would be a very good time to get caught up so that you're ready to go for the start of the new year. Okay, so these are the units, the assignments that you will be working on, 4.23, 4.24, and then 5.1 until 5.6. So we're finishing up the Great Depression and all the social things that go with it, and we're starting to discuss the wars in Germany, Japanese internment camps, Hitler, and so we're talking about a wide range of topics. Okay, so our learning target for this week is I can identify the key events of the Holocaust as well as describe the horrors of the Nazi concentration camps. Okay, so please take a moment to look at the photograph to the right. What do you believe is happening in the picture? What emotions surface as you reflect on the photo? Okay, so this is one of the famous pictures during the Holocaust. The children there in their uniforms. There's actually a video or a movie that Disney put out, an educational one called The Boy in the Striped Pajamas. And the boy was so naive in the video that he did not understand that another boy that he had met behind the fence and was wearing the uniform the Nazis required him to make. He thought it was just pajamas. Okay, so this is what typical child would have looked like, staring longingly, wanting to get out, obviously, and not be in such a horrific place. Okay, so I want you to go into your course, read about the lessons that are in the circle or in the box, the purple box. Focus on distant rumblings in Germany, the European theater, unspeakable acts shake the world. And this will help you learn what led up to the Holocaust and the unspeakable acts during the Holocaust. And you can also read a reading called The Holocaust from History.com. It's very, very good. It goes into a little bit more detail. And there's also a lot of videos throughout this reading that you can click on and kind of find a little bit more detail. They're very, very good videos. You're also going to watch the video Auschwitz, a short story of the largest mass murder site in human history, as well as how I escaped the Holocaust. You'll also find many videos, like I said, in the reading up above. Okay, and you can complete a small quiz on the Holocaust at the bottom there. Okay, so who were some of the other victims of the Holocaust other than Jews, and why did Hitler choose to discriminate against them along with the Jews? Okay, so you'll find out exactly who was discriminated against and how that came to be. Okay, and then obviously complete the test on the Holocaust. And then after studying the Holocaust, you will create a timeline showing events that happened before, during, and after the Holocaust. So you can see what led up to the Holocaust, during the Holocaust, and what happened after the Holocaust. And then there's a rubric that you'll be graded on how to create the timeline below. Okay, so then I'd like you to share with me any new ideas or have your ideas changed on this subject after you complete the lesson. I'm hoping that you'll learn a lot of things that you did not know about the war, the Holocaust, and everything that goes along with it. Okay, so any questions or concerns, please reach out to me. Like I said, you're more than welcome to work over winter break. I encourage it as a chance to get caught up or even possibly get ahead. And like I said, I want everyone to come back being caught up, everyone, where they should be so that we can start the new year in history with everyone together on the right path. Okay, so please reach out to me if you have any questions. If not, you have a wonderful winter break, and I will see you back here on January 2nd. Okay, thanks so much. Bye.